Hey B2B marketers, let's talk about a smarter way to handle your marketing budget. This video is about reallocating money from low-performing marketing activities to fund a high-performing video program. Now, we're not talking about scraping together loose change to fund a couple of videos, but rather a video program that delivers results at every stage of the funnel, from awareness to conversion. Now listen, if pulling funds from something like radio or events makes you cringe because it's driving major results for your business, for goodness sake, don't touch it. I'm not here to wreck what's working for you. Rather, these are suggestions for reallocating funds from activities that produce similar outcomes like lead gen, but might no longer pack the same punch in today's digital-first world. By the way, while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical ways to make your marketing budget work smarter and for everything video. Let's start with traditional media, TV, radio, and print. If these are delivering diminishing returns, scaling back just a bit can fund awareness stage videos that meet your audience online where they spend most of their time. Remember, these funds aren't disappearing, they're being redirected to video, which achieves the same goal of generating awareness, but does it with a modern, scalable edge. But again, if your radio ads are filling your pipeline, skip this one and keep on rocking the airwaves. Trade shows are another big ticket item. They're great for networking, but they can be a budget black hole. Before I started Thoughtcast Media, I worked for a software company that did a lot of event marketing. We would regularly spend $30,000 for each trade show that we attended, and that was a long time ago. It's almost certainly more expensive now. By cutting just 10 to 20% off a number like that, you can create mid-funnel videos like case studies or testimonials that convert leads into prospects, and they don't require shipping a booth and a bunch of people across the country. These videos can even be leveraged at future trade shows, giving you a dual-purpose tool that continues to deliver value long after the event is over. Be honest now, how often do printed brochures truly close a deal? Redirecting some of that budget into explainer videos, product demos, or tutorials could nurture leads more effectively, especially in digital-first sales processes. Plus, videos are endlessly adaptable. You can use them on your website, in email campaigns, or across social media to reach your audience wherever they are. And let's be real, videos are way cooler than a glossy pamphlet that no one reads. Here's a juicy one, underperforming digital ads. If some campaigns are driving clicks but not results, why not reinvest that budget in video ads? They deliver better engagement and work across multiple platforms to accelerate conversions throughout the funnel. Plus, with video, you can test different messages or formats to see what resonates best, giving you insights you can't get from static ads. How about one and done campaigns? They can be flashy, they're short-lived. Think seasonal email blasts, product launch giveaways, or limited time, social contests, stuff like that. That requires significant effort, but only generates short bursts of engagement. Redirecting those funds, or at least some of them, into evergreen content like product demos, thought leadership videos, or customer success stories lets you deliver long-term value to prospects at every stage of the buyer's journey. Those videos continue to work for you long after the campaign window has closed, giving your team a reusable asset to support multiple efforts. Now let's talk about MarTech. I love MarTech, but are you possibly paying for overlapping tools you barely use? Streamlining your stack can free up resources for impactful videos that educate, engage, and drive decisions. For example, trimming down redundant CRM tools could give you the budget to produce an entire library of videos, content that works for marketing, sales, and customer success teams alike. Now here's the part no one likes to talk about. Reallocating significant funds to a robust video marketing program might mean changes for your team. Depending on how much you shift, some traditional roles might need to evolve, whether that's retraining for video production, repositioning within your company, or regrettably in some cases, letting go of positions tied to activities that you're scaling back. This doesn't have to be negative. It's an opportunity to future-proof your team by equipping them with in-demand skills that align them with today's marketing needs. Growth always comes with changes, but that change can be a net positive. At the end of the day, this is about spending smarter, not more. A full-scale video marketing program can amplify your message across every channel helping you turn more leads into customers and more customers into advocates. Plus, videos give you the flexibility to adapt to changing strategies, ensuring that marketing stays effective for the long haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on building a smarter marketing strategy. Let's make video the centerpiece of your funnel. I'm Paul Gannon of Thoughtcast Media. Thanks for watching.